So in this video we are solving question from bit error rate probability. So it says that and this is the topic from digital communication. So it says that consider a binary digital communication system. So it is given that this is a binary communication system with equally likely zeros and ones. So what we can see is that zeros and ones are equally likely. So from this statement what we can say is that probability of 0 is equal to probability of 1, because it is a binary communication system, so obviously it can have only zeros and ones. So probability of 0, logic 0 is equal to probability of logic 1 is equal to 0.5, because both are equally likely. So then it says that when binary 0 is transmitted, the voltage at detector input can lie between levels minus 0.25 volt and plus 0.25 volt with equal probability. So when binary 0 is transmitted, the voltage at detector input will lie between level 0. minus 0.25 and 0.25 with equal probability. So we can draw the PDF for this as well. So the PDF for this, so let me take it is y. So Fy of 0. So it can lie between minus 0.25 and 0.25 with equal probability. So this straight line shows equal probability, and obviously the area under PDF has to be 1. So this total length is 0.5. So obviously this value will be 2, because this area has to be equal to 1. Okay, then it says that when binary 1 is transmitted, the voltage at detector can have any value between 0 and 1 with equal probability. The voltage at detector can have any value between 0 and 1 with equal probability. So again we can draw the PDF for 1 as well. So if we try to draw the PDF for 1, when 1 is transmitted, it can have any value between 0 and 1 with equal probability. So obviously this area has to be 1, so this value is equal to 1. Now it says that the detector has a threshold of 0.2 volt. The detector has a threshold of 0.2 volt. So if this y is greater than 0.2, then it will be interpreted that 1 is received, and it is 0.1, and if it is less than 0.2, then it will be interpreted that 0 is received. Okay, so we can write that if probability of y, so if y is greater than 0.2, so we have to find that if y is greater than 0.2, if y is greater than 0.2, then it means that logic 1 is received, and if y is less than 0.2, then it means that logic 0 is received. Okay, so the threshold is given as 0.2. So we have to find the average bit error rate probability. So the error can occur in two ways. If we transmit 0 and receive 1. This is the first chance of error, that we have transmitted 0 but we are receiving 1. We transmitted logic 0 but we received logic 1. The other option for error is we transmit 1 and receive 0. We transmitted 1, logic 1, and we received 0. So if this is for transmission of 0, so in this, if 1 is received, then y has to be greater than 0.2. so if this point is 0.2, so let me remove this. Now we know what is the threshold. See, if this point is, let this point is 0.2. So what area denotes receiving 1? Obviously y has to be greater than 0.2. So this area denotes that 1 is received when 0 is transmitted. What this denotes? This is the PDF for 0 transmission. So it denotes, this area denotes 0 transmitted and 1 received. Okay, obviously this is error. Then again, if the value of y is less than 0.2, that is the threshold, then there will be error. So if in this, if we have to denote error, let this be 0.2. so this denotes the value of y less than 0.2. so what this area denotes? 1 transmitted, because this is PDF for transmission of 1, and 0 received. So again, this is the probability for error. So this area is equal to 0.1. Okay, so this area is equal to 0.1 because this distance is 0.05 multiplied by 2. So this area is equal to 0.01, and it is nothing but probability of 1 received when 0 is transmitted. So probability of 1 upon 0. This area is nothing but 0.2. So it is nothing but probability of 0 upon 1. That is 0 transmitted and 1 received is 0.2. Okay, so these are, we have founded the conditional probability 0 upon 1 and probability of 1 by 0. So the bit error rate is given as average probability of error. The average bit error rate means nothing but average probability of error. So this is equal to probability of 0 into probability of 1 by 0 plus probability of 1 into probability of 0 by 1. Okay, so probability of 0 is 0.5 because both 0 and 1 are equally likely. We have already written this. Probability of 1 is 0.01. Sorry, this is 0.05 multiplied by 2, that is 0.1. 0.5 multiplied by 2, 0.1. Because this length is 0.5, this area, this length is 2. So 0.5 multiplied by 0.2, so probability of 1 by 0 is 0.1. So plus probability of 1 is 0.5 into 0 by 1, 0.2. So this will be equal to 0.5 into 0.3, which is equal to 0.15. So the correct answer is 0.15. So this is how we can find the average bit error rate probability. So this was very easy question. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. I answer all the comments, and please like and share the video with your friends also, and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck.